Welcome back, everyone. It has been a cool and wet start to the work week in Great Falls. On the Great Falls Clinic Icam, we have had overcast skies throughout the day today. We had a little bit of rainfall this morning, but really for much of the morning and the afternoon it was dry. But over the past hour or so, it has been stormy in Great Falls as we've had thunder and lightning, as well as some moderate to even heavy rain falling. And the weather's been very active throughout all of Montana today with scattered showers and thunderstorms in portions of northwestern Montana as well as in Glacier County. We have had a steady rain falling for much of today, but that steady rain has been tapering off over the past couple of hours. In Cut Bank at the airport, we've received almost 3/4 of an inch of precipitation during the day today. Then in places like Browning as well as the St. Mary area, we have received over an inch of precipitation over the past 24 hours. The most active weather right now is within Cascade County and Choteau County. Lots of lightning, some heavy rain, as well as small hail in some of these storms. And this is where you want to be inside until the storms pass by. None of these thunderstorms are severe, but they are still dangerous. So again, just make sure you are inside until these storms pass by your area. And this precipitation is all associated with a larger storm system that is currently located over Washington and Oregon, and that will continue to impact Montana as we go through tonight and into tomorrow. As we go through the rest of this evening and tonight within north central Montana, a few severe thunderstorms with damaging winds and or large hail will be possible, but the bigger severe threat this evening and early tonight is going to be in southeastern Montana as well as in portions of northeastern Montana. This is where we had the best chance to see severe thunderstorms with damaging winds potentially up to 70 miles per hour as well as large hail up to 2.5 inches in diameter. In north central Montana for the rest of this evening and tonight, there are going to be scattered showers and thunderstorms. More numerous during the first half of the night and then a little bit less numerous as we head into the second half of the night. We are going to have overcast to mostly cloudy skies tonight as well. Tomorrow during the morning, a lot of locations will be dry, but a few showers are possible, especially along the high line. We will start the day off with overcast skies, but the skies will clear out a little bit as we head into the afternoon and the evening, so you can expect partly to mostly cloudy skies. There will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and evening as well, especially in locations east of I-15. Skies will then clear out and the showers and thunderstorms will taper off as we head into tomorrow night. Canadian wildfire smoke is going to be returning to northeastern Montana and portions of north central Montana as we go through tonight. And that haze and smoke is going to linger into tomorrow morning as well. And in northeastern Montana as well as in eastern portion of north central Montana, this is where the air quality may potentially become unhealthy for sensitive groups later tonight through tomorrow morning. So just be aware of that if you are sensitive to increased pollutants in the atmosphere. As we head into the afternoon and the evening, that smoke will start to dissipate, so we should have better air quality for the afternoon and the evening tomorrow. But some more smoke may return as